All right, we are just moving along. So today's lesson 12. Uh, S70 is the page of notes, I'm pretty sure. We're going to be looking at the parts of question number 1. So we're going to be doing kind of like what we did yesterday, but now we're going to reverse it. Remember how yesterday we were finding the item they had in common? So yesterday's lesson was this, and we said, oh, they have a 4 in common, and then we're going to make it x plus y. So if you notice the similarities, we are going to reverse and make this today. So we're going to go from here to here. So looking at the first one, we would be taking the 4 times the x to get to the 4x, and then we have to go 4 times the y for 4y, and then put the plus sign back into it. So that's what we are doing today. We are using distributive property. Now, distributing means the number on the outside, which is going to become coefficient. See the coefficient to the variable. The coefficient is going to be going to both parts. So it's kind of like the Coke man. The Diet Coke guy has to deliver his Diet Coke to Walmart, and then he has to deliver the Diet Coke to Target. So you can't forget that it goes over both by means of multiplication, because see how there's no sign here? That is what this is. So that would be looking like letter A. Okay, so now we're going to look at letter B. And B, we're going to put right up here. And we're going to take our 8, and we're going to distribute it to the A for 8 times A, plus, now we have to give the 8 to the 3B. So 8 times 3 is 24, and we can't forget the B. So that's letter B. So right by it, we're going to do letter C. I don't know if we have enough space over here. We can try. I can squeeze it in. Actually, I'll go underneath. So we have 3 for letter C. We have 3 multiplying by a 2x and an 11y. So we have to give the 3 to the 2 by multiplication, so that's 6. We can't forget to plop the x. And then we have to give the 3 to the 11, so that would be the adding of 33, and we can't forget the y. All right, letter D. So on letter D, we have a 9. We have a 7a plus 6b. We're going to give the 9 to the 7, which is 63a. And then we're going to give the 9 to the 6 for 54b. All right. So now we're going to look at E. And oh, look at this. We have a variable that's going to be distributed over. No change. We just got to give it to both. So if we give a C to the 3A, we have a 3AC. And if we give the C to the B, we're going to have a CB. That's nothing hard. And then letter F. We'll squeeze F right here. We're going to give a Y to a 2x and an 11z. So y to that just means 2xy. Plus, if we give a y to that, we're going to have plus 11zy. See how they don't have the same variables? It's almost cut off. There we go. Oops. See how we don't have the same variables? That just means we can't put them together. See how the A and the C and the C and the B, they're not the same, so we can't put them together. See how we have 63A and 54B? We can't put them together. They don't have the same variables, which also is the same, meaning the same letters. So it's kind of like a long necked dinosaur playing with a 3-horn. Long necks do not play with 3 horns very well, so they can't play together. And that is everything for this lesson. Hope this all made sense. If not, you rewind. I love